Hello everyone, my name is Poseidon. Before we start this tutorial video, I want to say all the assets I use are made by Kenny. I think it's a developers group which made pretty good assets. You can view them on their site, download them, and don't forget to donate to them using PayPal, Patreon, Bitcoin, or just purchase some products from itch.io. Thanks for watching this tutorial and let's start. Welcome by this new video about creating a top-down tank shooter game. Before we start, we're gonna set up our project workspace as following. We have created a 2D scene. Your scene need to be on 2D. Your game from free aspect to a ratio of 16:9. Our main camera has a solid color as background, is orthographic with a size of 3. Now let's get started. We create 3 folders, one called scenes, one scripts, one sprite. We save our current scene in our scenes folder. I call it main, you can call it whatever you want. I have imported a tank. It has a turret and a body. You can create your own or download this one from Kenny. Link is in the description. Let's create our tank. I have changed the pivot of the turret to a custom from 0.5 on the X and 0.15 on the Y. We're gonna drag it inside our body. We're gonna rename this to player and the other to turret. As you can see, it's aligned nice and pretty good. Now we're gonna create in the scripts folder a new C# script, call it motor, because it's a motor to drive, right? We're gonna open it as following in your favorite script editor, and we're gonna create 2 floats. We want to drive and rotate because we only can drive forward and backward. So we create a public float speed and a public float rotate speed. We change it to drive. No, move speed. This will be 1. This one will be 12. Then we're gonna create nothing more. We're gonna use this dot trends. I'm doing this wrong. We first need avoid fixed update. If you don't know what fixed update is, I recommend you read the documentation of Unity about fixed update. Link is in the description. Let's start with this, that dot transform dot translate I'm bad at typing, I know. What does translate? It moves us to a new position on what we input to it. So what we gonna give? We want to go up or down. So on the x-axis we do nothing. Here we do our move speed times time dot delta time. But before that we do our move vector. So move vector times move speed times time dot delta time. And on the z we do nothing. So first we need to create our move vector. So float move vector is input dot get axis, and we want the vertical axis. Then we're gonna create a rotate vector. This will be input dot get axis horizontal. This will be changed every time we use W, A, S, D or the arrow keys. So we use translate for moving, but for rotating we use this dot transform dot rotate. We want to rotate on the z-axis, so we do on the x nothing, on the I nothing, and here we do our rotate vector times our rotate speed times 10. Why? I don't really know, but I have chosen to do this times 10, so our rotate speed won't be 120 but just 12, so it doesn't really be much more than our move speed. And then this we will do times time dot delta time, and this is our motor. Now we should drive in Unity. So let's try it out. If we drag the motor, and we can drive, but I'm now using W and A. As you can see, I drive, rotate in a different way. To fix this, we go back and we do our rotate vector in minus. So if you now start the game after loading, you go rotate on the good direction. This is how you do the player movement for our tank in the top-down tank shooter game. Thanks for watching. Hope I see you in my next video where we do the rotating our turret to our mouse point. See you then later. Thanks for watching this video. The video is now done, but please take a little time to subscribe to my channel, leave a like to this video, or comment something on this video, such like some feedback or something you want to see in the video, or if you have a problem. Hope to see you again at my new video, which is gonna be in a couple days. See you then. Bye.